Good morning. Today we continue our study of the crypto ecosystem. Contrary to popular belief, the most dangerous creatures are rarely the loudest ones. Let's begin. Rug pull. A fascinating predator. It appears friendly, promises prosperity, collects trust, then removes liquidity and itself. An elegant hunting strategy. Pump. Observe the herd. Prices rise, questions disappear. Research becomes optional. The only remaining question is, am I too late? Curiously, it is almost never asked before the pump begins. Dump. Gravity eventually wins. Not only over prices, but over confidence. Interestingly, the chart often falls 20%. The emotions, approximately 200. Sniper. Frequently misunderstood. A sniper is not faster because it is lucky. It is faster because it prepared before everyone else noticed the opportunity. Humans tend to dislike advantages they do not possess. A predictable response. JEET. An extremely nervous species, it exits early, celebrates safety, then watches the chart continue upward. Remarkably, regret always arrives after the sale, never before. Scam. Perhaps the oldest creature in the ecosystem. Notice, it rarely invents anything new. It simply tells people what they already want to hear. The promise changes. Human optimism does not. Mubot. An unusual specimen. No fear, no greed, no ego, only mathematics. Humans insist on competing with code while making emotional decisions. The results are statistically consistent. The market has no memory. Scammers have no shame. Bots have no emotions. Charts have no opinions. Yet, the same mistakes appear every single cycle. Curiously, the victims are rarely the same people. The behaviors are: hope ignores probability, greed ignores risk, fear ignores the plan, and certainty usually arrives 5 minutes too late. Statistically, the market changes every day. Human psychology almost never does. Further observation is required. We've all been there.